Hello students, I welcome you all in this video. In this video we are going to learn about SYGC secretarial practice. We have already completed our first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance, and then we have started with the second chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance. And in this video we are going to continuing with the same chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance. And in this video we are going to discuss about types of debenture. Now if you compare types of debentures with types of preference shares, then you will come to know that they are almost similar. Okay, so in types of preference share also we had studied about convertible preference shares, non-convertible preference shares, then redeemable preference shares, irredeemable preference shares. So they are almost similar. Okay, now if you talk about types of debentures, so there are total 8 types of debentures as you can see here. So and it is divided into 4 parts. So first 2 types of debenture is on the basis of security, and another 2 types is on the basis of transfer, and then on the basis of repayment of money to debenture holder, and then on the basis of conversion, that means convertibility of debentures. Okay, so these 8 debentures are very easy and simple. Okay, so let's study it one by one. Now first let's talk about on the basis of security. Now if you can see here, these secure debentures and unsecured debentures, there are 2 types of debentures. First secure debentures and second unsecured debentures. So secure debentures are those debentures who having the charge on assets of the company, that means their debentures are secured. Whether company earn profit or occurred loss, in any case company have to repay the amount to debenture holder, उसको हम बोलते हैं secure debenture. Now if you talk about unsecured debenture, so these are the debentures which are unsecured, okay, and they do not have any charge on assets of the company. Okay, तो इसको हम लोग डिटेल में देखेंगे. अभी जैसे एक बेसिक आइडिया जो है वो हम लोग ले लेते हैं. इसके बाद में देखेंगे इफ यू टॉक अबाउट रजिस्टर एंड बेरर डिबेंचर्स. सो if a company is going to issue a debenture, so in such case company should maintain a register of debenture. On that register, company should mention the name of the debenture holder, types of debenture, address of the debenture holder, and numbers of debentures issued by the company. So ये सारी चीज़ें उनको मेंशन करना पड़ता है. So if a company writing the name of the debenture holders in the register of company, then you can say those debenture is a registered debenture. Okay, and then if you talk about bearer debentures, तो यहाँ पे जो कंपनी का रजिस्टर होगा, यहाँ पे उस डिबेंचर होल्डर का नाम मेंशन नहीं होगा, उसको बोलेंगे हम लोग बेरर डिबेंचर. दैट मीन्स इसको हम लोग और डीपली स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, अभी देखते हैं आगे. रिडीमेबल एंड इररिडीमेबल डिबेंचर. सो रिडीमेबल डिबेंचर क्या होगा, विच कैन बी रिडीम. तो आप यहाँ पे ऐसे बोल सकते हो, रिडीमेबल डिबेंचर्स आर दोज डिबेंचर्स विच कैन बी रिडीम ऑन द डेट ऑफ मैच्योरिटी. ओके, एंड इररिडीमेबल में क्या होगा, इररिडीमेबल डिबेंचर्स आर दोज डिबेंचर्स विच कैन बी रिडीम थ्रू आउट द लाइफ टाइम ऑफ द कंपनी. फिर आएगा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कन्वर्जन. नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कन्वर्जन, देन यू कैन से convertible debentures are those debentures which can be converted into equity shares. Okay, and if you talk about non-convertible debentures, then you can say non-convertible debentures are those debentures which cannot be converted into equity shares throughout the lifetime of the debenture. Okay, तो अभी ये जो भी है, अभी यहाँ पे जो भी मैटर आपको दिख रहा है, ये कंप्लीट आपकी बुक के अंदर का मैटर है. ओके, बहुत ही सिंपल और इजी है, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड easily. Okay, so let's start now with secure debentures. So first देखते हैं हम लोग secure debentures. What is secure debentures? The debentures can be secured. Okay, so debenture को secured हम कर सकते हैं. We can secure the debenture. आगे देखते हैं. The property of company may be charged as security for loan. That means if you are a debenture holder of the company, then you having some charge on assets of the company. This security may be for some particular assets, that means fixed charge, or it may be the assets in general, that means floating charge. That means if you talk about assets, so there is a chances that the price of the assets will increase or may decrease. Okay, so whatever is the cost of that assets, you're having the charge on those assets, okay, as a debenture holder. The debentures are secured through trust deed. So in our previous video, in the features of debentures, we had studied about there are three parties involved in debenture. Okay, first is a company who is going to issue a debenture, okay, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं issuer, and then another party is a debenture holder, that means that investor who is going to invest their money in a company. तो दो पार्टी हो गए. And third is trustees. Between company and trustee, they come up with some agreement, and those agreement is known as trust deed. Okay, बस इतना ही है यहाँ पे. This much you have to study. Now let's talk about unsecured debenture. These are the debentures that have no security. There is no security. And now if you talk about unsecured debenture, so as per Companies Act 2013, it is not allowed to any company to issue unsecured debenture. ऐसा क्यों? Because if you purchase debenture of the company and if you invest your money, if any case if a company occurred loss, then company will not repay your amount. Okay, that is why as per the Companies Act 2013, it is not allowed to issue unsecured debenture. The issue of unsecured debenture is now prohibited by the Companies Act 2013. Okay. Now let's talk about registered debenture. So registered debentures are those debentures on which the name of the holder are recorded. Okay. कहाँ पे recorded होगा, that we have to see. Okay. A company maintains register of debentures. See here, register of debenture holder in which the name, company have to mention what name, then address of the debenture holder and particulars of holdings of debenture holders are entered. That means how much debenture that person had purchased. The transfer of registered debentures requires execution of regular transfer deed. So with the help of transfer deed, debenture holder can transfer their debenture whenever he wants. Okay. Now let's talk about bearer debentures. So now if you talk about bearer debenture, so bearer debenture is opposite to the registered debenture. That means if a person purchasing the debenture of the company, okay, so company should mention the name of that person in register of debentures. Then only we can say those debenture is a registered debenture. Now if you talk about bearer debenture, so if a person purchase the debenture of the company and if company do not mention the name of that person in register of the company, register of the debenture, then in case those debenture are known as bearer debenture. Okay. Now if you talk about bearer debenture, so if you purchase a debenture of the company, so company will issue a debenture certificate, but your name is not mentioned on that certificate. First thing. Second, along with the debenture certificate, company also give some coupons. So that coupon is nothing but the interest coupon. Okay, so whenever company is going to declare a interest, so in such case you have to go with that coupon. Okay, so इसको अभी डिटेल में देखते हैं तो और अच्छे से समझेगा. First thing, name of holders are not recorded on the bearer debentures. Okay, so यहाँ पे नेम जो है वो मेंशन नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट थिंग, their names do not appear on the register of debenture holders. ओके, तो रजिस्टर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स में भी नाम नहीं होगा. सिंपल. आगे देखते हैं. लेट्स सी. Such debentures are transferable by mere delivery. So if a debenture holder wants to transfer their debenture from one person to another, so in such case that person also transfer the debenture certificate, and along with debenture certificate that person provides gives the coupon also. Okay. Payment of interest is made by means of coupons attached to debenture certificate. Okay, so whenever company is going to give a interest, so if a debenture holder wants to take an interest, so that person should go with dealing with coupons also, and this coupon you have to submit to company, and then only you can get your interest. Okay, now Let's talk about redeemable debentures. So we all know redeemable debentures and redeemable preference shares, they are almost similar. Okay, so now let's talk about redeemable debenture. Debentures are mostly redeemable. Okay, that is payable at the end of some fixed period as mentioned on the debenture सर्टिफिकेट. मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, याद है, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू परचेज अ डिबेंचर, सो वो डिबेंचर का एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड होता है एंड दोज पीरियड इट शुड बी रिटन ऑन द सर्टिफिकेट, डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट. दैट मीन्स इफ यू आर गोइंग टू परचेज अ डिबेंचर ऑफ द कंपनी, then company should inform that the debenture which you are going to purchase, the period of those debenture is 2 years, 3 years, 4 years or 5 years. कितना भी years होगा, company should mention and company should inform you. And if you purchase those debentures, जो period आपको company ने बोला था वो period उस debenture certificate पे mention होना चाहिए. Okay. Now repayment can be made at fixed date at the end of specific period or by installment during the lifetime of the company. That means जो period उसके ऊपर लिखा होगा, on that period company should repay your entire amount, okay, in one shot, or else company can give your amount in installment basis. Okay, as you can see here, installment basis ready हो जाएगा और one shot में भी आपका payment आपको repay हो जाएगा. तो at the time of maturity of debenture, if a company is going to repay your amount, so those debenture is known as redeemable debenture. आगे देखते हैं. The provision of repayment is normally made in trust deed. Okay, so trust deed हमको पता है क्या होता है. Okay, तो जो भी provisions होगा, rules and regulation होगा, that should be mentioned by the company in trust deed. Okay. Now irredeemable debentures, उसका opposite है simple. These kind of debenture are not repayable during the lifetime of the company. Okay, जब तक ये कंपनी होगा उसका रीपेमेंट नहीं होगा. कौन सा डिबेंचर का? इररिडीमेबल डिबेंचर का. They are repayable only after the liquidation of the company or when there is a breach of any condition or when some contingency arises. That means कब इसका रीपेमेंट होगा? एट द टाइम ऑफ वाइंडिंग अप ऑफ द कंपनी. दैट मीन्स एट द टाइम ऑफ क्लोजिंग डाउन ऑफ द कंपनी विल रीपे द अमाउंट, और when there is a breach of any condition, if a company break any rules, in such case company have to repay the amount, or when some contingency arises. That means if a company is going to face any problem, in such case company can repay the amount to debenture holders. Okay, but इतना याद रखना है, irredeemable debentures are those debentures which cannot be redeemed throughout the lifetime of the company. Okay. Now let's talk about convertible debentures. So we all know convertible debentures are those debentures which can be converted into equity shares. That means if a debenture holder wants to convert that debenture into a equity share, so that person can convert the debenture into equity shares. Okay, बहुत ही सिंपल है, देख लेते हैं इसको भी. Convertible debentures give right to holder to convert them into equity share after a specific period of time. Such right is mentioned in the debenture certificate. Okay, so it should be mentioned, that right should be mentioned that on the certificate of the debenture. Okay. The issue of convertible debenture must be approved by special resolution in general meeting before they are issued to public. So before issuing the debenture to the public, company should decide which types of debenture is company is going to issue, whether company is going to issue convertible debenture or non-convertible debentures. Okay, so ये सारी चीज़ें company should mention in a debenture certificate, और उसके लिए कंपनी को एक बार मीटिंग भी करना होगा पहले. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस डिबेंचर आर एडवांटेजेस फॉर द होल्डर. ओके, ये एडवांटेज होता है. व्हाई इट इज एडवांटेज? बिकॉज इफ अ पर्सन वांट्स टू बिकम अ ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी, देन पर्सन कैन कन्वर्ट देयर डिबेंचर इनटू इक्विटी शेयर एंड बिकम द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज advantages. Because of this conversion right, convertible debentures holder is entitled to equity share at a rate lower than market value. Okay, that means if a value of equity share in a market is ₹20 और उसका प्राइस जो है ₹20 चल रहा है, तो वो केस में जो कंपनी के डिबेंचर होल्डर्स है, अगर इफ दे वांट्स टू कन्वर्ट दोज डिबेंचर इनटू इक्विटी शेयर्स, तो दे विल गेट द इक्विटी शेयर्स इन ₹15. दैट मीन्स मार्केट प्राइस से ₹5 कम. दैट मीन्स इनका एडवांटेज हो जाएगा और इनको प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा. ओके, लास्ट वन, दैट इज नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर. नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स आर नॉट कन्वर्टेबल इनटू इक्विटी शेयर ऑन मैच्योरिटी. ओके, these debentures are redeemed on maturity date only. These debentures suffer from the disadvantage that there is no appreciation in value. Okay, यहाँ पे भी value increase नहीं हो सकता है. That is why it is disadvantage to the debenture holder those who have purchased non-convertible debenture. Okay, so बस ये 8 types के debentures है, बहुत ही simple, बहुत ही easy. Okay, so prepare your own notes. कुछ भी doubt होगा you can ask me in comment section. Okay, so thank you very much students.